How to pay your SpayLater bill in Shopee using a QR code and Gcash. Step 1. Generate the QR code in Shopee. Open the Shopee app. Go to SpayLater in the Me tab. Tap Pay Bills. Tap Pay Now. Tap Payment Method. Select InstaPay as a payment method. Tap Confirm. Tap Pay Now. The app will display a QR code for the transaction. Tap Save QR code. Step 2. Open Gcash and scan the QR code. Open the Gcash app. Tap Pay QR from the main menu. Choose Upload QR code. Upload the QR code you saved from Shopee. Confirm the payment details and tap Pay. Screenshot for documentation purposes. Step 3. Confirm payment. Check your SpayLater balance in Shopee to ensure the payment was successful.